Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how I'm doing decorated strawberries. I'm gonna do an arrangement, so wish me luck, and we're gonna be doing it together. Some of the items that I'm gonna be using, of course, are the candy wafers. I'm gonna be melting this in the melting pot. Is that how it's called? I guess, because I don't have a microwave, so this is gonna be a little bit challenging when it comes to that part, because yeah, I think it's a little harder. But I'm gonna mix the candy wafers with a spoon of coconut oil, and once I have my cheese melted, why I keep saying cheese? It's chocolate. I don't know. Maybe I'm craving cheese. Okay, so let me show you what I have in this side, and let's go ahead and start. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up. Okay, so we have our melting chocolate here. Our strawberries ready to go. These are already clean and dry. It's very important that they are dry. And we have our decorations here, some of our decorations, so, and I'll show you the rest later, but this is so far what we have in our little setup here. So let's go ahead and start dipping. Okay, so we're dipping the strawberries right now. There we go. Oh, how cute! Check this out, guys, the strawberries are ready. So we finally finished them, we decorate them, and now it's time to put the arrangement together. There are a few that I still need to be dry, so we're gonna leave them here a few more minutes and we're gonna put them together. I'm gonna show you the items that we're gonna be using to create the arrangement or the bouquet. Okay guys, so I'm ready to build this up together, but I honestly a little confused right now because the original idea that I had, it didn't work out. So I was thinking to build up the arrangement of this cone. It's the floral foam, but the base didn't really work out. So I changed the base and I'm putting this paper inside. Hopefully it works. I'm gonna put now the floral foam inside here, and the only reason I'm putting this paper is just not to see through the foam. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Okay, so I already put one there, and I'm gonna be putting the other one right here. Very slow so we don't break the paper. There we go. Okay. And I have a couple gaps here. I'm gonna try to add a small piece in between. Let's see. Okay, so I did it. It's everything inside, you cannot see through. And now let's start building up our arrangement. So we're gonna start with the bigger strawberries first, and then we're gonna go build up from there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we can put let's put kind of like the small ones going like that. Kind of like it's like lower now.
Okay, sí.
Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna cut it like not the same.
The same or?
I think the same, so it has like a longer support, you know, inside. Like that? Yep, and now a couple more this side. It's coming along. Esta creo que I'm gonna put this one in different position. Ahí está.
Está como, yo te las corto y tú las acomodas.
Okay. Okay, so I need kind of like that one right here. I guess in this side I'm gonna put like the other one. I'm gonna change this one for this one because it's kind of the same as this one.
Yeah. Pero no necesitas que la corte, ¿verdad?
No. Esto. We're switching this one. One here, so it kind of looks the same. Okay.
Como esta acá.
Okay.
Y esta
Yeah,
acá,
we
otra
have
la de acá.
Más adentro, porque no está quedando la figura. We're changing the. I guess it's okay because we're gonna fill it up with the flowers too and some ribbons. Okay. Okay guys, so we are filling up the spaces with flowers, and we are using straws. We're putting this inside here, and then we're gonna put it on inside and cut it and go through this. And we're just gonna keep going around like that. Look at this, guys. How beautiful! It's not bad to be our first strawberry arrangement. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bow in the front, and I'll show you the final result. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so proud. Look at this. Look how cute came out. Isn't it beautiful? So we just wanted to make a beautiful something for somebody special, and we decided to do it at home. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.